In today's video, I am going to teach you how to connect your Godaddy domain to Shopify manually. We will go through the process inside Shopify first so you can get the connection started the right way. This is useful if you already own your domain through Godaddy and want to point it to your Shopify store using manual settings. Begin by logging into your Shopify admin. Make sure you are signed in to the correct store before you continue, especially if you manage more than one Shopify account. Once you are inside the admin dashboard, look to the lower left area and open Settings. From Settings, select Domains. This is where Shopify lets you manage your current web addresses, connect a new domain, or review domain setup details. If this is your first time working in this section, take a moment to confirm that you are on the correct page before moving forward. Next, click Connect Existing Domain. This option is for domains that were purchased from another provider, such as Godaddy, and need to be linked to Shopify. After you click it, Shopify will ask for the domain name you want to connect. Type in your Godaddy domain name carefully, using your own domain in place of any example domain you may have seen elsewhere. Be sure the spelling is correct, because even a small typo can cause problems later in the setup process. After entering the domain, click Next. Shopify will then show connection options. At this point, choose Connect manually. This tells Shopify that you will be updating the domain records yourself through Godaddy rather than using an automatic connection method. Manual connection is often the best choice when you want more control over the setup or when automatic detection does not work properly. Once you click Connect manually, Shopify will prepare the information you need for the next part of the process. This is where Shopify gives you the specific records that must be updated on the Godaddy side, so your domain points to your store correctly. The key thing here is that you have now initiated the domain connection from inside Shopify, which is an important first part of the setup. Take your time as you move through these screens and make sure each selection matches exactly what Shopify asks for. Accuracy matters during domain setup, and careful entry now can help you avoid connection issues later. That covers everything you need to know.